Sana, what's the time now?
Ma'am, 28.
28. Fine. So let's move on to the next topic. Okay. So learned that we already learned that what is budget. Budget means what is the definition for budget? It's a plan for future expenditure. It's a plan. Budget means it's a plan for future expenditure. Okay, for a specific period of time. Budget is a plan for future expenditure for a specific period of time. Then we already learned that there are different steps in managing our resources or the time management. What is it, Sana? Steps in managing resources. Sana?
Uh, Planning.
Hmm?
Uh,
That is a code we used.
P-I-O,
PI. So where is O?
P-O-I,
Meghna, what is it?
OICE.
ICE. Planning, organization, implementation, then third
controlling
one,
and evaluation.
controlling and evaluation. Thank God. Can you please repeat?
Planning, organization, implementation,
Hmm,
controlling and evaluation.
Very good. Okay. So let's move on to the steps in making budget. Okay. The first step, that is list the commodities and services that is needed by the every family members through within a specific period of time. List all the commodities and services. Like for Meghna, it's drawing pencils, ice creams, eyeliner, ankles, oil pastels, then gown, pens. All these are her commodities. Okay, or her needs. So first, list all these needs. Then, in the case of Sana, it's her commodities list is novel, paint, juice, uh, then pencils, brush, like that. Okay, that is the first step. So we already learned that listing the commodities. Then the next step, that is estimate the cost. Estimate the cost of the desired items. In the case of Meghna, the gown part, that is a mistake, right? Her estimation is mistake. Like the gown quantity 2, it's 360. It's a big mistake. So don't do that. And for example, ice cream 2000. It's a correct estimation. Hmm? So that is a second step, estimating the cost. Like in Sana, the paint 60 rupees, brush 5, it's also a good estimation. So first we list all the needs or all the things we need, then we estimate the cost. Then the third one, estimate the total expected income. Estimate the total expected income. So don't overestimate. What do you mean by overestimation? In our case, it's 1000. So overestimation means or
About,
over. Hmm?
about 1,000.
Yeah, it will lead to a budget failure. Okay. And also estimating this time, estimate the third step, we need to include all the sources, all the income, all the psychic income, all the real income, money income for the correct estimation. Okay. Then the next step, that is income and expenditure balance. It's very important. Income and expenditure balance. In the case of Meghna, it's 990. That's uh, that's also not a very good one, not a very good budget. Try to fix if it is a 1,000 rupee budget, you need to plan all your needs within 990. 900 or 950. Okay, that's a better budget or a good budget. Otherwise, sometimes it leads to a bad budget or a budget failure. Okay, so plan things within this amount. Okay, then there is an income and expenditure balance. Sometimes, sometimes this expenditure are more than income, right? Meghna. So this is the format of budget, Sana. Just look, a date in the top corner, the number, item, quantity. You need to include that, okay? The quantity 1, 2, 3 and all, and the amount. And finally, the total amount, the total is equal to the sum, that is 990 for Meghna and 1000 out of 1000. Look, you use all the money. Okay, so it leads to a budget failure. So what is the first method or the first step in budget making, Meghna? The very first step?
List all the commodities and the services.
Good. Second, Sana,
Estimate the cost.
estimate the cost. Okay. Third one, Meghna?
Estimate the total expenditure.
Yeah. The fourth one, which means the income. We need to balance our income and expenditure, right? How is it possible? Sometimes the expense are more than income. So how is it possible, Sana? There are two ways. Either you can increase your income or either you can cut your expenditure, right? For balancing. Okay. These are the two ways. Either increase the income. How you increase your income? By doing extra work, by doing or by taking tuition, doing extra work and collect extra money. That is increasing. That is a way to increase the income. And how you reduce your expenditure by cutting some needs. For example, in the case of Meghna, in the case of Sana, in your list, which one is very least important, Sana? Least important one. Novel, pen, shoe. Is it Nutella? It's also my favorite. Then Nutella with 100 rupees. Huh? Okay, fine. Which one is
Everything is
least needed?
important.
Sorry, Sana.
Everything is important.
Meghna. What about you?
Gown and scrunches.
Gown and anyone
Gown.
other than gown. Gown is a big mistake. So other than gown.
Scrunchies.
Scrunchies. Okay. Okay. So by cutting the expenditure, the Meghna's expenditure, that is 10, amount 10. So she cut this amount from this 990. So she cut her expenditure or she decreased her expenditure. So it's 980 out of 1000. Now it's little bit better, right? Sana, it's a question for you. Just avoid any one from your list. Least important one. Brush is
Shoe.
important, right?
Shoe.
Shoe. Okay. Now it's very good, this budget. So she plan or she gave the amount for shoe that is 300. She cut this expenditure or this amount from her budget. So 1000 minus 300. Now it's a good one, right? Some savings also there. That is the right method for planning a budget. Is it clear? You need to balance your income and expenditure. Then what about the next step? The last one, that is check the plan. Fifth step, check the plan. So here, what all things comes under this step? Check the plan. Make them. Just check your plan. Is it good or bad? Or it's a moderate, average? How you rate your plan? Sana, Meghna?
Average.
Average. Sana?
Average.
By reducing your expenditure or by cutting the shoe, then it's a good budget. Okay, yours. Meghna, you need to plan your budget according to the amount, just the amount. Okay. Then, so that's the last one, check the plan. The need of family have been met. Then only the allowance for emergency savings and all is possible. Then very important one, your budget should be flexible. That's very important for the resource management and also for the time management, space management, budget management. For all the management, all your steps should be in a flexible format. Okay. Sometimes you need to adjust some steps or some your amount you need to adjust. So this adjustment is very important. Or then, so these are the 5 steps in making budget. List the commodities and services, estimate the cost, estimate the total expected income, income and expenditure balance. In this third step, they estimate the total expected income should include all the incomes like money, psychic, real, direct, indirect, and all. That's an important one. Okay. And then, so this is all about planning. The first one, the first step. Meghna? Not Meghna. Sana, what are the steps in managing the resources? Resource management, the 5 steps.
List all the services.
No, no, no. The code. What is that?
P-O-I.
P-O-I-C.
E.
Very good. Planning, organization, implementation, controlling, and evaluation. Very good. Okay. So Meghna, here the first one, that is planning, that comes under this list of commodities, estimation, balancing, check the plan. All these comes under the planning, the first step. Okay. Then what is your next step after planning, Meghna?
Organization.
Okay. Here it's controlling. The next step, that is control. No problem. Organization is also there, right? We organize all our needs with the help of amount, with the help of estimation, with this expenditure and all. So we already organize our things and needs. So the second one, that is controlling. So here, what do you mean by controlling, Sana? Controlling.
Controlling the expenditure and income.
Good. Anything else, Meghna?
Controlling the budget.
In this stage, we check whether our money is wasted or not, right? It's an important step. So that is control. And we can control our money or control the budget by 2 types, or we can check. Control means checking whether checking our plan is good, bad, is it okay? All the needs are met or not? Okay, we just check. That is controlling, checking the budget. Okay. So there are 2 types of checks. You can check 2 types in 2 methods. The first one, that is mental and mechanical check. So starting with M. Mental and mechanical checks. And then records and chart, records and accounts. Okay. So controlling means after planning, the controlling is the next step. Control makes sure that money is not wasted. Control in financial management is usually of two types, checking to see how well the plan is progressing and adjusting wherever necessary. So there are two types of check, that is mechanical and mental checks and records and accounts. Okay. Mechanical, mental, records and accounts. These are the two types of checks. So for an example, you have 1,000 rupees. Everything in thousand, right? You have this 1,000 rupees for buying two things. One for your school bag and other for your shoes. Okay. So how you use this money, Sana? How you spend this money? Just 1,000 rupees. Your need is to buy a school bag and a shoes. Sana,
So we'll buy school bag for
amount. I need the amount. Just give an amount. 200.
For shoes 300 maybe.
You can use the full amount, no problem. You can use the full 1,000 rupees.
So like for school bag 300.
Okay.
For shoes
Hmm?
250.
250. Okay. Meghna, what is your amount? It's
Uh,
different.
school bag,
According to our interest and all, the money also different.
school bag under 300 and shoes under 500.
500. Okay. So while buying this school bag, we will keep in mind, right, the amount you would be spending for this shoes, right? While buying the school bag, we also think about what happened. Fine. So while buying the school bag, we will keep in mind the amount you would be spending on or purchasing the shoes, right? That is the mental. We think all these things are all the amounts in our mind, right? That is the mental check. 1,000 rupees we spent or we buy for an example, buy this 1,500 or a 600 for a school bag. So only 400 is enough, right? Or sorry, only 400 is the amount we have for buying shoes. That is a mental calculation. That is a mental check. Is it clear? Mental checks. Then next one, that is mechanical check. Meghna, does job.
She helps in my father's shop.
Sana,
Housewife.
housewife. Don't say this word, housewife. Okay, that's why I asked this question. Okay, we all are home science students. Don't use this word, housewife. Use homemaker. That's a better word. Okay, homemaker. My mother is a homemaker. Okay, use that word. So, mechanical check. Most of these homemakers or many of these homemaker have a purse with some amount of money or the money inside the fold of her sarees. for using this money they use for buying the food items or buying their things, buying the kitchen items and all. So one day suddenly this complete amount is used. There is no money in the purse. So we will check for this overspending, right? Suddenly this complete amount is used. Suddenly it over, the money is completely vanished. So we think about the overspending and all. That is the mechanical check. Okay, Meghna,
Yes, ma'am.
need to repeat?
No.
Fine, fine. Then the second one, this is the first check, the mechanical and the mental check. And the second check, that is records and accounts. Records and accounts. What is this, Sana? Records and accounts. Record and account. What is this?
Like we'll keep record of
Yes, right.
what and all
Record
we
of,
spend.
yes, very
After
good. The budget, just like as budget, we casually write the day and the expenses with the amount and we total the amount. We just total the money. That is the record. We keep a record or we keep a accounts. Okay. Just like by putting the date, just like as budget, we put a date and then we total all the expenses. Okay, that is record. This method, this method that helps everyone to find out whether the expenditure is too high or which category is too high, which expense is too low. Then we can easily manage or balance our expenses. Okay. So the first step, that is planning, then controlling, which means we check our plans, and then in this controlling the records, our accounts, the mechanical check, mental check, all this comes. Okay, then next one, evaluation. What is this? Evaluation. Meghna, what do you mean by evaluating your budget or evaluating the plan?
After making the all this and buying things,
After all the steps or after all the activity,
they check whether is the expenditure too high or low and what is close.
the most important one is that the basic needs of the family members. We all have our own needs, right? So these needs were met or not. That is the basic function of evaluating the plan. Okay. And sometimes the adjustments is also there. Adjustments. Why? For an example of due to loss of business and all, his income or the family's income is very less. So we need to adjust with that situation and we need to plan our expenditure or our budget according to that condition. So we need to adjust with that situation, loss of business or any like any accidents and all, our emergency situations like that. Okay, so we need to adjust with the situations. That's all about the chapter 25. Take the page number 294. Is out of 70 marks. Uh, and 30 marks for your practical, 70 for theory and 30 for practical. So do your practical records very neatly. Okay. And then for this theory part, You will have the fill in the blanks questions, multiple choice questions, 1 mark questions, and then I think 1 mark, 2 mark, 3, 4, and 5 mark questions will be there. Okay. Then some general questions will also there. Okay, general kind of questions. Anything to ask about your exams? Yes.
Will you be revising from first chapter or from the last chapter? To
From the first chapter. Give more importance to your first and middle chapters. Meghna, read.
Budget.
Steps in making budget. Just read the steps.
Steps
Only 5
in
minutes.
Steps in making budget. Following are the steps in making budget. First, list commodities and services needed by family members throughout the proposed budget period. 2. Estimate the cost of each item, totaling each classification. 3. Estimate the total expected income. 4. Balance expected income and expenditure. 5. Check the plan.
So if a question asks, write the steps in making budget, you need to write this 5 points and also the controlling the plan and evaluation. Okay, this 5 points like the listing, estimation, balance, all this comes under planning. And after planning, write the controlling the plan and evaluating the plan. Okay, planning, controlling, and evaluating. So these are the 5 steps in making budget. Then controlling the plan, make sure that the money is not wasted. That is a main function. Before overspending occurs, we have to control it. Okay, there are 2 types of check, mental and mechanical check overspending, records and accounts. Okay, at least learn the 2 type of check, just the names. Mental and mechanical check, records and accounts. Then adjustment should be there. And our budget should be in a flexible format. And the last one, evaluating the plan. Sana, can you please read the evaluating the plan fastly? Fine. It's the last step of money management. Evaluating the plan is the last step of money management, that is evaluation. Actually, evaluation starts with checking only. Evaluation is done to see. These are the functions of evaluation. Like if the specific goals were obtained, all our goals were obtained or not, basic needs of the family members were met or not, and then bills were paid in time, is everything on time, and then get satisfaction from money income. The psychic income is very important. After completing this budget or after all this expenditure and all, everyone should get a psychic income or a satisfaction from this money or this budget. Then provision was made for future needs and emergencies. If it's 1,000 rupee, plan the budget by 990 or 950. You should save some amount of money for your future use. Okay, that is our next chapter, saving and investment. Then standard of living or family raised. Is our standard of living is raised or not? Meghna, Sana, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No? Good. Meghna, am I fast?
No, ma'am.
By next period?
For exam, that important points only we need to study.
Yes. No problem. Okay? Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sana, join at 4:15. 15, right?
4:15.
4:20?
5.
At least join by 4:20. Okay.